Okay, welcome to 52 hikes, 52 weeks. We're doing Stimpson's Nature Reserve. So we're going to start here, take this loop, and we'll probably take this side little loop to the pond. This loop here is 3 miles. This is another tenth of almost a mile, so almost total 4 miles. I'm going to do one every week, every Sunday. We're going out. Today is January 2nd, 2022. And we're off. It's a great little hike. Been here before. Can't take dogs here, which is kind of, because it's protected. It's just kind of sad. I'd love to bring the dogs, but can't have them here. And no dogs, no horses, bicycle or motor vehicle. It's a very wide path, very nice. Doesn't look like anybody's been down here for a while. So you can clean off your boots when you get back here. But it's just south of Bellingham. Easy to get to. Over by Sudden Valley, in Sudden Valley. Is it in Sudden Valley?
Yeah.
Okay, so in Sudden Valley. Brought the girlfriend. I'm not by myself. But yeah, it doesn't look like anybody's really been here. Not a lot of tracks. There's some tracks, but nothing fresh today. Looks like we're the first ones in here. And it's always starting off pretty. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. So we got a little turnout area here. Looks like you got another wood. Check out a little wooded area. A little opening in here. I think there is a little pond in there, but it's kind of frozen over now. We got our first little bridge to go over the creek here. Just inside, just starting off. There's something about hiking in the winter and the cold, and as long as you're bundled up and take what you need. There's a chance of rain, so we got out here kind of early because the rain's not supposed to start until 11. And tromping through the snow is just, it's actually really nice. Don't have snowshoes, just have boots on. But they're nice and warm. My feet are nice and toasty, no cold at all. Your feet doing okay, babe?
Yep.
Bunch of stuff blowing down on the trail, but it's a wide open trail. Oh, it looks like actually now I do see some footprints going over. So somebody is out here. If we see him, who knows? But there is some fresh tracks. God, it's gorgeous in here. Another bridge, second bridge. I still have not got to the fork to where you hit the loop. I do like a good loop. One thing about a loop, if you do it a second time, good opposite direction, changes it up a little bit. Alright. Not a lot of upgrade through here. There is a little bit, but not a lot. I love the trees. It's so pretty. Alright, we'll see you in a few more minutes. Alright, made it to the fork. Main loop trail. Trailhead to the left. That way. That way. We're going this way. We'll come back in I guess from over there. So head down we go. I wanted to do a navigation. I forgot to start it, so no navigation for this, but I tell you, it's about 3.8 total, I think. 4 miles, 3.84 miles, something like that. So I promise, next video I'll have a navigation to show you know exactly how far we hiked. So, all right, so we're going clockwise around the loop. What's that? Oh yeah, nice hill. You can actually see on the other side of the trail coming back. So we go down here, bridge down there. Oh, gorgeous in here. Just absolutely gorgeous. All right, so here's the loop for the pond. So you keep going in, we'll go up to the left. We'll head up to the pond. Oh, so it's 1.2 round trip around that, plus the 2.9 for the other one. So 4.1 total should be our total mileage when we're done. Good to know. Good to know. It's a little uphill. Up into the pond. I wonder if it's going to be frozen. We had some really cold days here. See when we get there. Well, the way to the pond, looks like we get a little bit of a down tree. Get to go underneath. I'll tell you one thing, I'm out of shape. Of course, it's a little bit harder to walk in snow because you're packing it down and stuff. I mean, it's somewhat packed down, but still crunching down beneath me. But hey, 52 hikes, 52 weeks should get me back into shape. There'll also be some backpacking trips this year too, so looking forward to those. All right, coming around the corner to the next bridge. This will be the third bridge. No, step over a log. Careful, it's snowy. God, it's beautiful snow. Wind's starting to pick up. You can hear it blowing the trees in the background. See the, well, can't see really much, but the trees are moving when you get some big gusts. All right, should be getting kind of close to it, you'd think by now. I thought I'd show you all this. It's actually really nice. Just packed down right in the path, packed down right in the middle. And just snow on each side. Got hills and trees. Hear the wind blowing. Yeah, it's dropping snow on us here and there. It's a little chilly when it hits your ears. Forgot my stocking cap, but I'll be alright. It's a short hike. This is a nice hike though. Oh, if that is the pond over there. Oh, we're still following the path. Hasn't detoured, but like I said, it looks like the pond might be over there. If it is, it's frozen. A little icy right here. And it's funny because we're right by the city, but it feels like, because you don't hear any vehicles, all you hear is the wind. You don't hear anybody else. I mean, you really feel in solitude out here. It's like a breath of fresh air. Yeah, that's got to be the pond. At least part of it. Got another down tree. That's a good time to start recording. All right. Hopefully I'll find a... It looks like somebody walked on there. I don't know if you guys can see the footprints, but... Does it look like somebody was walking on there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. I don't know. All right. Through the tree. It's probably going to drop water on me. Oh, nope, didn't do it. See you in a bit. Well, you can't see the water, but that's where it's at. Nice little sitting stone. It's covered in snow. Be a little cold to sit on right now. I don't think we're gonna sit and stop, but we're gonna take a, or we are probably gonna stop for a minute here and catch our breath a little bit. And so through here to the right is where the trail goes, and to the left actually takes you back to the Sudden Valley development down there where people houses and stuff are. So they can actually walk up here and do this nice little hike. It's actually a really nice area to live in, but it's on a hill and people have trouble in the winter getting back to work. Those are footprints. Yeah, somebody walked on this. That's dumb. You don't know how thick that is. You could fell. There's water underneath it. You could have definitely fell in. Not smart, people. All right. So yeah, to the left, Sudden Valley Development. To the right is our trail. It's time to head back to the main trail. We're halfway done with the pond loop. All right. Bridge number 4 coming out of the river. The pond. Water, excess water, the pond coming out. Flowing pretty good. All that snow's melting into it. Got a little flow going to it. Yeah, that's not very thick. Whoever was walking on that was stupid. Just absolutely beautiful. I have no idea how many bridges are through here, but so far we've hit 4. Maybe that'll be my thing. I'll count all the bridges on every hike I go. All right, see you in a... All right, bridge number 5. And at the end of the pond. Pond goes that way. This is water actually going into the pond. We're gonna go right back up here and over and go back on our main trail. The finishing of the loop. Yeah, that's bridge number 5. A lot of bridges on this. I would not expect that. Why I care so much, I have no idea. All right, back to the main trailhead. The main trail, not the trailhead, but the main loop. We came from the right. We're gonna go that way, over yonder. So yeah, Geneva Pond. We went there. Now, supposed to stay on the main loop. Finish up the main loop. About 2.8 mile round trip. So I think we did 0.8. So about 2 miles to go. I'm off to see the wizard. The wonderful wizard. Wait, it's not yellow brick road. It's a white. If there's a yellow trail, a lot of people would have peed in the snow. All right, we'll leave it at that. All right. I don't know if you can hear it, but the wind is starting to pick up. The sky is starting to darken. I don't know. We got less than 2 miles to go. The rain is supposed to hold off until about 11. It's 10:30, so I'm hoping we get out of here before the rain starts, but I do have rain pants on already, and we have rain jackets in the bag. If it does start raining, we'll be fine. Yeah, the wind's picking up. You hear the trees making cracking sounds as the wind's blowing on them. They're not like cracking, but they're just making some funny sounds. Got a little blowdown right here. Oh, what a day. It's a really nice walk through here. I bet trail runners run this. Seems like a good spot. If you want to do a quick 4-mile trail run. A little bit of hills, a little bit of flat, not too bad. Especially if you're a beginner trail runner. Get those, could be an ultra trail runner. Those guys are crazy. 100 miles and shit. Crazy. All right. More down trees. More woods. I think I lost my girlfriend. I better check on her. I think you can hear the wind a little bit better over here. Nice little clearing. I thought I'd share it. Lots of snow. Got to be getting close to being up to the main trail, back to the trailhead. We're now on the north side of the mountain, so I know that's the spot that takes us back to the trailhead. The wind's picking up. Hasn't started raining. It's almost 5 o'clock. I mean, sorry, way off there. Almost 11 o'clock. That's when it starts getting a chance of rain, about 45%. And then by noon, it's like an 80-90% chance of rain. So, but I think we're gonna be out here within the next 15-20 minutes. Hopefully not get any rain. Still super gorgeous in here with all the trees and the snow. I wonder if doing this on a time lapse. Every couple minutes it flips a picture. And you can actually see the whole hike on something like this where it's short. Or if you just like me to stop once in a while and show you what I'm showing and tell you all my bridges, which after that fifth one, it's been a long time since I've seen a bridge. All right, see you in a bit. Look at that, I almost missed it, but bridge number 6. It's been a long, in fact, I was sitting there talking to the girlfriend about what we're gonna do for lunch. And we started walking right over it, and I had to back up. We're like, oh, yep, there's a bridge. Bridge number 6, hey. I didn't think for a while there, I didn't think we were gonna see another one. It's been a while. I was kind of missing the bridges. Oh, back uphill again. Didn't know we had switchbacks there either. Thought we were done with the hills. I guess I was wrong. We're not done with the hills. So it still hasn't started raining. It's after 11. Football games have started. Go team, whatever you're cheering for. All right. See you in a bit. All right. More uphill. At the top of this one, we got our second place to sit down, which is covered in ice. No, it's just glossy. It's not covered in any ice. It doesn't. A little water on it, a little wet. I don't think we're gonna sit on it. Christy's a little ways behind me, way down there. I don't want to show her, so she doesn't want to be on the camera. Yeah, the top's right here. So yeah, we're still trucking along. Still no rain. Just saw our first trail running. She was making us look bad, running up the hill while we're slowly walking it. All right, see you in a bit. Well, I actually almost missed this bridge because it's covered in snow right here. Yeah, there's so much snow on it that it's like almost impossible to see. But yeah, there is a bridge under there. Bridge number 7. I don't know why I'm obsessed with those. Gotta have something to count, I guess. Better than trying to count all the fucking snowflakes. Well, there's another Sun and Valley sign, which I believe means we're getting actually really close to the trailhead. We're not going to Sun and Valley. We're going on the main trail loop, which is 2.8 round trip, but it doesn't tell you how far we've gone. But if I remember correctly, that Sun and Valley trail is really close to the other trailhead that takes us back to the vehicle. In fact, I believe it's all downhill to there, which is starting to warm with all the warming up, getting a little slushy and a little slick. Wind's picking up a little bit more, if you hear it. hopefully we beat the rain. Not beating the wind. It's a going. We're almost out of here though. Alright, next one will probably be, unless there's another bridge, we'll be at the T to head back to the trailhead. Oh, look at that. Has not started raining yet. Wind's still blowing pretty good. But there's a sign for the trailhead. So the loop is officially done. 2.8 miles for the loop, 1.2 for the pond loop. Total of 4 miles. And then I think it's 0.1 back to the trail, back to the vehicle. Happy? She's happy. She's ready for food. I'm ready for food. Time to head back to the vehicle. Which you can tell, it looks like there's been a lot of people tracking through here. Snow is a lot more packed down. So, might be more people on the loop. We ran into one trail runner. She ran up the hill where we crawled. We'll see you at the exit. Alright, welcome to the end. This is about 4.2 miles ish, 4.2. 3 hours. All the snow slowed us down. Could have done a lot faster if it wasn't so much snow, but snow was tough to walk through. But it was a great time. No rain, just some wind. Honestly, it turned out to be a beautiful day for it. Got warm, but not overly warm. And I would love to do it again someday. Maybe with no snow. So yeah, 4 miles, 3 hours, couple of nice loops. Not too many people. I think we saw 2 people the whole time. Saw another gentleman headed in while we were headed out. Hopefully he doesn't get too much rained on. So, with that said, I am Donovan. This is Donovan Hikes. And I think you should go on a hike. Oh, by the way, Ron Kelly, you missed a great hike. See you all later. Oh, there's the truck.